will be the code from the activity of the midterm. So I choose the student profile display from the user. This will be the design for my HTML. Then after that, this will be the part where the opening page, where it has the welcome, and it has also the part where the user will start the information. So for the container of the student form, it has the student profile header, and also it has the name where the student needs the information, where the system needs the user the information. So the system also need the email, the address, the age, and the gender. Also, it has the option whether the user is male or female. And after that, the button of the form below, click the done button. So after that, it will go to another page where the form submitted from the student or the user has successfully been received to the system or website. So it has also the user info class, and also it has the class button where the information will be closed. So after that, the start button, uh, uh, the event listener will know if the start or the student form.
Asa mo sa amin?
Garikod ko. Wala. Once click, the page will be blocked. Filling out the information of the user, such as this email address, age, gender. If the user is one of these are not input the information, it will alert that the fill out of this field was required. So after that, this one, it creates a string user info containing the entered information formatted in the HTML form or the form container above. This string will be used to display the user's data on the closing page, and also this transition the user form that display to the user summary. Closing button, this one, this event listener is triggered when the user clicks the close button. It hides the closing page. Also, it hides and brings back also to the welcome page. This allows the user to start over if needed. Handle button clicks to show hide or show different section of the page. The display student is profile gathers the data from the form, checks for empty fields, and display the users on the closing page. Close button functionality is allows the user to restart by hiding the profile page and showing the welcome screen again. So this will be the output from my activity map. This one. This is the opening page where it has the welcome, and click the button below to start filling out your student profile. Start. So the student profile. So enter email. So after this user filling the information, I click the done. Then this one will be the form submitted. So the information of the student will be displayed, and it fetched the data from the user from the form. So if I click the close, it will directly go to the welcome page again, so that the another user will be able to fill out their profile information. Thank you.